Check this little guy out. Cool looking fish. Not sure how big they need to be. We'll let that guy go. I think this is a black drum. Check that out. That's a cool looking fish. I've only caught a few of these before, but measurement on him, get him back in the water. Well guys, he's a little over 15, so I'm gonna put him in the live well for now and see if we can catch any more. That was fun. Not exactly our targeted species, but they're tasty to eat. See if we can get another one. All right. This is, what an awesome morning. Didn't get out here as early as I wanted to, but oh well, there's always tomorrow. Yeah, we're back in the Everglades. I can't actually believe I'm back here again. Last time we were down, I only got to spend one day back here. Didn't really get to do a whole lot of exploring, and didn't really catch a whole lot of fish. So I just got back here, didn't even get that far back in, already caught 2 fish, and decided I might as well do a little bit of fishing on my way back in. So I'm gonna head a little farther back in. Technically it's towards Hell's Bay, but I'm not getting into Hell's Bay, obviously. And yeah, we're just gonna go see what we can find. I think there's snook back there. Someone say there's redfish to be caught. I just caught a black drum. So yeah, this should be fun. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day. This time. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is a bigger fish. Definitely a bigger fish. Ooh, what do we got here? Another black drum, I believe. Oh, nice fish. Look at that guy. What a cool looking fish. Whew. Well, that's number 2 for today. Check it out. Nice looking black drum. 18 inches. Check him out. Well, I think we know where he's going. That's gonna be supper. Alright, buddy, in you go. Well, we may need a bigger live well for Florida. The live well is not exactly cut out for this size fish. Well, that was a heck of a ride. Welcome to undisclosed location number 1. Back in the Everglades, looking for calm water, and it was windy getting in here. But once you're back in, it's not too bad. Something. Trout. Got a little trout. Well, there he goes. Just a little guy. Hopefully there's some bigger ones in here. Another trout. A little bigger one this time. There he goes. Still not quite 15 inches. But they're in here. Well, another little guy, but keeps it interesting. Look at the color on these things. Like golden. Cool looking fish. Throw him back for another day. Upgrade any of these guys into something just a little bit bigger. 15 inches is what we're looking for. Like the 4th trout of the day, I think. 14 incher. Another one that's just short. Check it out. This guy gets to go for another swim. Thanks for stopping by, bud. Oh, it's one on a jerkbait. Got another little guy on. They just don't seem to grow any. Really cool looking fish. you go, bud. Thanks again. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for me today. I've been out here pretty much all day and I gotta tell you, I'm beat. I did not catch any redfish. We got a couple black drum this morning and I caught a few nice speckled trout this afternoon, just none of those were big enough to keep. So yeah, I'm going to head back in. I've got about a 15-20 minute ride yet and get these bad boys filleted and cook up some supper. So hope you guys had fun. I know I did, so stick around for more. Okay. All right, time to grill some redfish collars. Check these guys out. Now that doesn't look delicious. They call them saltwater quail because if you hold it up kind of right, it looks like a bird. So, 3 redfish collars and 1 black drum collar. So, let's see how these guys turn out. Just get them all prepped. Just get them patted dry. Okay, gotta keep it pretty simple on the spices. Some salt and some Old Bay. I don't know how much to put on here. Something like that. Let's get these guys popped on the grill. As you can tell, there's quite a party going. It's alright. Got my own party going. Oh, we're ready to go. Need a bigger grill. Let's go get some butter for these guys. Time to check up. Oh, they're looking good. They're looking good. A little bit of butter on those guys. Go. Just gonna let him keep on cooking. Getting there. Alright, time to add more butter. Oh man. This stuff is looking quite amazing. Yes, it's okay to cook with your hands. Promise. Couple more minutes. Oh boy. I think we almost. Some of these are done. They've got to be done. Oh yeah. Okay, son. This is some of the best meat on the fish, and most people just throw it away. Takes a little bit of work to get it off the bones, but it's better than barbecue chicken. Delicious. Let's dig in here. I'm gonna burn my fingers. So these are the bones that are in there. Check it out. See through. This is so good. So the plan is, if I don't eat it all first, to take this meat, once this is cooled down, flake it all off the bone, then make like a kind of like a fish dip, like chicken salad, but with fish salad. Like I said, if I don't eat it all first. Let's try it sometime. It's delicious.